if you do not structure them accordingly, I'm telling you guys, this is all civil stuff. The system designed for you to easily succeed, but if you fail, to be able to rebuild back again, bigger, faster, stronger. That's how the financial system in America is designed. Nobody's going to go to your house. Chase Bank isn't going to go to your house, knock on your door with 10 goons, and try and beat you up over a $5,000 loan or a $5,000 credit card bill that you didn't pay. So stop being fearful. Start being fearless.